Hi parents. In this tutorial, I'm going to review how the Lunch Points program works. First of all, I have some helpers right now who I'm going to ask a few questions to. Can you all tell me who fills out the Lunch Points program?
Our parents.
Our parents.
Thank you. And is there any way for you to earn bonuses?
Yes.
Yes.
If you tell your parents your secret behavior, the one you're going to work on, and they choose that behavior, do you get extra points?
Yes.
Is it my responsibility to tell your parents?
No.
Whose responsibility is it?
Others.
Excellent. And also, if one of your parents checks on their own behavior, do you earn bonus points then too?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go through, and parents, I'm now going to show you how the program works. You can go under Current Families, and there'll be different ways to log in, but for right now, Current Families works, and you come over here to Lunch Points. If you need a refresher, just click on Tutorial, and that's actually what you're watching right now. Otherwise, click here, and that brings up the Lunch Points program. You enter in your password, which was sent to you via email, or you can just call the office, and once you put it in correctly, let me try it again. This is what happens. You get this screen. So it'll give you a little greeting, and now you just click Next, and you're going to let us know a few things. Who you are, so I'm going to say I'm a father. What date did the behavior you're rewarding occur? So maybe it happened yesterday. You could say it happened on the 2nd. Which group are you reporting for? We're going to say that we're reporting on, say, the kid group. And finally, when yesterday did it occur? Last night? If it happened yesterday afternoon, you should have reported it yesterday. That's why you see that only last night is a choice. Otherwise, pick something that your child did today and just say it happened this morning, this afternoon, this evening. Maybe it was something they did all day. And where finally did it occur? Now, you'll report on your child's behavior by picking their name. I'm going to use Test Kid. Choose your validation code. Whatever code you pick the very first time becomes your validation code. So we'll pick squash. Now, what behavior did you observe your child do? So here, maybe your child spoke up clearly. Click Next, and you have two choices. Actually, three choices. One, you can do a review of your own behavior. Notice you can do that up to 2 times per between group sessions. 2, there might be a special behavior or something you want to have discussed at group. Click here, and you'll be able to let me know about that. And 3, if you want a receipt of your entry, just put in your email address here. For now, we're going to skip all of these. We click Next. It generates the certificate and says your child's name at home. They earned their certificate when they spoke clearly. It throws on a random compliment. Click here, print out the first page, and give the certificate to your child. It is your child's responsibility to bring the certificate into group. So everyone, is it your parents' responsibility to remember for you to bring in the certificates? Group?
Yes.
Is it your parents' responsibility to bring it in, or your responsibility?
It's our responsibility.
Yeah, so it's your responsibility, just like a homework assignment. Now we're going to go back, and I'm going to add here a change, that your parent did decide to review his or her own behavior. And maybe they reviewed the certificate with you, and they noticed that they praised you right after the behavior occurred. And maybe they also made requests to you in a very respectful manner. Here it asks how often they use negative consequences. We'll say it was 0. Now it also generates the certificate, but look, you get 12 tickets because of the parent review. And then finally, if you pick the behavior as a parent that your child told you about a red bonus is going to show up, isn't it? And you get hero tickets, right?
Right.
So that's all there is to it. You simply print out the page, and after you print it out, so here you click print, fine, and then once you're done with that, choose next, and that finishes and submits the form. Okay, that's all there is to it. If you have questions, simply let us know. Was that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Think it'll be clear to your parents?
Yeah.
Yep.
And if it's not clear, would you be willing to help them out?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, we're done.